First, I want to introduce one of the best Google AdSense alternatives in the world, Adsterra. This is a platform I have personally used for years, and one that has paid out hundreds of thousands of dollars globally. Adsterra is a powerful advertising network that allows you to earn money both from impressions and from clicks, making it an excellent choice for website owners at any level. One of the biggest advantages of Adsterra is that it accepts almost any type of website. You can add both paid domains and free domains easily through the Add Site section. Besides, for this video, I tried to demonstrate everything by creating accounts from scratch. What makes Adsterra especially perfect for beginners is that it fully accepts Blogspot websites. So if you're just starting out and don't have a budget, Adsterra is one of the most ideal platforms you can use. The interface is clean, simple, and very easy to use. You just submit your website URL, go through a short approval process, and approval usually comes very quickly. Once your site is approved, you simply choose your preferred ad format from the Ad Unit section, generate your ad code, place it on your site, and your ads go live immediately. Even if you don't have a website, Adsterra still allows you to monetize your traffic. This feature is called Smart Link, also known as monetize any traffic with a smart link. With Adsterra Smart Link, you receive a single smart URL that you can share anywhere, including social media platforms, YouTube descriptions, forums, or messaging apps. When someone clicks your smart link, Adsterra automatically sends that visitor to the most relevant and highest converting ad offer based on their location, device, and traffic quality. You earn money from clicks or conversions without needing a website, ad placements, or complex setup. This makes Adsterra Smart Link a flexible and beginner-friendly way to monetize any type of traffic quickly and effectively. When it comes to payments, Adsterra offers multiple flexible options, including cryptocurrency, web money, Paxum, and even bank transfers. This makes getting paid fast and hassle-free, no matter where you live. That's why Adsterra remains one of the strongest, most reliable, and beginner-friendly AdSense alternatives available today. Next, I want to introduce another powerful and fast-growing AdSense alternative, Monetag. Monetag is especially known for its high CPM rates, making it a very attractive option for publishers who want to maximize earnings from traffic, even without clicks. Unlike many traditional ad networks, Monetag focuses heavily on performance-based monetization and works extremely well with international traffic. One important detail to know is that Monetag does not accept free domain websites like Blogspot or other subdomain platforms. To use Monetag, you need a custom, paid domain, which helps maintain higher ad quality and better CPM rates. Monetag offers a wide variety of ad formats, including pop-under ads, push notifications, native ads, interstitial ads, and in-page push ads. These formats are optimized to deliver strong CPM performance while still being easy to integrate into your website. Getting started is very simple. After adding your website, Monetag usually completes the approval process quickly, allowing you to start monetizing your traffic without long waiting times. When it comes to payments, Monetag provides multiple reliable payout options, including cryptocurrency payments, PayPal, Payoneer, and Skrill. If you don't even have a website, Monetag still offers a powerful way to make money. This feature is called Direct Links. With Direct Links, you get a single smart link that you can share anywhere, on social media, in YouTube descriptions, on forums, or even through messaging apps. When someone clicks your direct link, Monetag automatically redirects that user to the most relevant and highest paying ad offer based on their location, device, and behavior. You earn money from those clicks or actions without needing a website, ads placement, or technical setup. This makes direct links one of the easiest and fastest ways to start earning online, especially for beginners. Thanks to its high CPM rates, advanced ad formats, and fast payments, Monetag is an excellent choice for publishers who already have their own domain and want to scale their earnings beyond AdSense. The third powerful AdSense alternative I want to talk about is RollerAds. RollerAds is especially popular for its high CPM rates, particularly for push notification traffic and pop-based ad formats. This platform works very well with global traffic and is widely used by publishers who want strong CPM performance, even with low to medium traffic volumes. One big advantage of RollerAds is that it accepts both paid domains and free domain websites, including platforms like Blogspot. This makes it a great option for beginners as well as experienced publishers. To add your website, simply click on the Add New Site section. Then, download the verification file by clicking the Get Verification File button. This file contains a unique verification code. Upload the file to the root folder of your website using any FTP client or file manager. Once the file is uploaded, return to the dashboard and click the Verify button. After that, the website moderation process starts, and approval usually takes a short time. RollerAds offers several high-performing ad formats such as push notifications, on-click pop ads, in-page push, and native-style advertising options. These ad formats are designed to maximize CPM while remaining simple to set up and easy to manage. The approval process is fast, and once your site is approved, you can start monetizing your traffic almost immediately. When it comes to payments, RollerAds provides multiple payout options, including PayPal, Payoneer, Capitalist, WebMoney, and cryptocurrency payments. With its high CPM rates, flexible ad formats, and beginner-friendly approval system, RollerAds is an excellent choice for anyone looking to monetize traffic beyond Google AdSense. As you can see, making money online doesn't have to be complicated anymore. Whether you already have a website or you're starting from zero, platforms like Adsterra, Monetag, and RollerAds give you real opportunities to monetize your traffic today. The most important step is taking action. I've placed my official referral links for all these platforms in the video description below. By signing up through those links, you can easily create an account, explore the features, and start using them on your own websites or traffic sources. If you've been waiting for the right time to start earning online, this is your sign. Click the links in the description, choose the platform that fits you best, and start turning your traffic into income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.